Hi friends, welcome to Career Matters Academy YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about some important central government scholarships to do PhD. Let's start our discussion. In this video, we are going to discuss only the central government scholarships to do the PhD. There are some other scholarships also to do PhD. Those will be discussed in some other videos. Here are the list of scholarships that we are going to discuss in this video. There are scholarships from IITs, NITs and IIIT, and there is a scholarship called STNF, and there is a scholarship called SCNF, OBCNF, Minority, and DST, Non-Net Fellowship, PMRF, UGC NET-JRF, CSIR NET-JRF, and ICSSR. We will discuss about these scholarships one by one in detail. Here are some abbreviations we need to remember because I am going to use all these words in the coming slides. NFSE is National Fellowship for Scheduled Caste Students. NFOBC stands for National Fellowship for OBC. MANF stands for Maulana Azad National Fellowship Scheme. PMRF stands for Prime Minister Research Fellowship. And NET exam is, as you know, National Eligibility Test. JRF is called Junior Research Fellow. SRF is Senior Research Fellowship. And UGC stands for University Grants Commission. DST, the Department of Science and Technology. Last one is ICSSR, Indian Council of Social Science Research. First, I want to discuss what is the difference between NET and the NET-JRF. Exam is the same, NET and NET-JRF for both of these. NET is the eligibility for assistant professor. It doesn't give any fellowship. And NET-JRF, which is eligible for assistant professor as well as fellowship to do PhD. NET cutoff is less than the NET-JRF cutoff. NET-JRF cutoff somewhat 5 to 6% more than the NET cutoff. There is an age limit for JRF, that is 30 years, SAST it is 35, and there is no age limit for NET, National Eligibility Test, for assistant professor. What is the amount usually we get for JRF, Junior Research Fellow? It is 31,000 and HRA and contingency also. For JRF, it is 35,000 plus HRA plus contingency. JRF is first and second years of your PhD course. SRF means third, fourth and fifth years of your PhD course. Total is maximum of 5 years only. After that, the fellowship automatically will be discontinued. National Fellowship for SC, it is as usual as we seen in the earlier slide. JRF is 31,000 and SRF is 35,000. It is through the UGC NET. I will discuss on this point. And there are 2,000 fellowship for each year, 15,000 for humanities and social science, and 500 for science stream. It is through the UGC NET. What it means? If you are not qualified for NET-JRF and you are nearer to the cutoff of NET-JRF, there is a chance that you will be getting the fellowship from this National Fellowship for scheduled course. If you are nearer to the cutoff and you are not qualified in the NET-JRF exam, okay. Let's see the next one. Next one is National Fellowship for Scheduled Tribe. What is the amount? 31,000 for JRF, 35,000 for SRF. And what is the age limit? Age limit is 36 years. And how many scholarships for each year? 750. That means 750 students from ST will be given this fellowship each year. And 30% of these fellowship belongs to female candidates. It is not through the UGC NET. For this, you need to apply from the Ministry of Tribal Welfare's website. They form a committee. They select some students for this National Fellowship for Scheduled Tribes. You can get more information from the official website. Next one is National Fellowship for OBC. What is the amount of fellowship for JRF and SRF? Same as above. And how many scholarships for each year? 300 for each year. And it is also like NFSC from the UGC NET. It is also from the UGC NET. If you are not qualified for UGC JRF and you are nearer to the cutoff, there is a chance that you will be getting the fellowship from the National Fellowship for OBC scheme. Next, we have Maulana Azad National Fellowship. It is discontinued in 2022 last year. I am not going to discuss about this because government is not continuing this one. Next one is very important one. It is non-NET fellowship from UGC. Most of the PhD scholars survive from this scholarship only. It is for all PhD scholars. It is the default scholarship. If you are not getting any kind of scholarship in the university, then you will be given 8,000 scholarship, this non-NET fellowship, and it is government is not increasing from a long time, and I hope government will increase this amount, and it is also applicable in central universities. It is not available in the state universities. Okay. Next in our list is PMRF, Prime Minister's Research Fellowship. It is not for all institutes. It is for some top institutes and universities. See, IITs, ICSSR, and Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, and some of the top central universities and top NITs. What is the official website? pmrf.in/fellowship. See here, this gives highest amount of fellowship when compared to the all other fellowship. What is the first year fellowship? 70,000, second year 70,000, and third year 75,000, fourth and fifth year 80 and 80. And it is not for all institutes. Okay. Next in our list is ICSSR fellowship. Here it is for social science teachers. Here age limit is 40 and 20,000 per month fellowship will be given, and here NET exam is desirable. How to apply for this scholarship? You need to visit the ICSSR official website. Even though you don't have NET award letter or NET exam qualification. You can apply. It is only desirable. It is not. NET is not mandatory. Next in our list is DST, Department of Science and Technology Fellowship. It is for the university rank holders like gold medalist, if we say. These are the toppers in the class who got the gold medal in the university. For them, no need to write JRF exam to get the fellowship. Fellowship government will give if you are the university rank holders, if you are the topper in the class. And here another condition is the class strength should be minimum of 20, and it is only applicable for science stream, and the fellowship is as usual 31 and 35 for JRF and SRF each one. Next we are looking at the engineering stream. It is for BTech MTech students. If you have qualified for GATE exam anytime in your life, you are eligible for this fellowship. This fellowship being offered from IITs, IIIT and NIT. Here NET is not applicable, and this fellowship is for all students. This fellowship is for all students who have taken admission in IITs and IIIT and NIT. And JRF and SRF amount as usual. And SRF is first 2 years, JRF is first 2 years, SRF is next 3 years. Maximum duration is 5 years only. These are the important website you have to visit: scholarship.gov.in. There you can apply for the fellowships. And UGC NET and UGC.ac.in also a very important website. There you can get the PDF documents of all these fellowships. For more details and for more updates like this, you can subscribe to our channel Career Matters Academy. Thank you for watching.